Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mohammed Afzal. So let's start the video. Today is my topic how to make money on YouTube in 2024. 7 simple strategies videos. YouTube stars are today self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the web. Making money on YouTube might not be your reason for starting a channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. Luckily, there are some creative revenues if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube. Your audience might unlock your YouTube channel's earning potential, as is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it's the creation of multiple revenue streams through side hustle or business that helps you make money. How to make money on YouTube? Join the YouTube partner program, sell products or merchandise, crowdfund your next creative project, let your audience support you through fan funding, license your content to the media, work with brand as an influencer, become an affiliate marketer. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream you should likely explore is ad, whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator. Joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, and setting up monetization is a vital step. You shall have to agree to follow all of YouTube monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YPP is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you hit 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours over the past year, or 1000 subscribers with 10 million valid public short views within the past 90 days. Here's how to enable monetization on YouTube. Sign into the YouTube account you want to monetize. Click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click YouTube Studio in the left menu. Select other feature monetization. Read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms and eligibility requirements. Create a new Google AdSense account or contact an exciting one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Set your monetization preferences. Once they are done, head back to the dashboard and click the Analytics tab on the left side. From there, you shall need to choose revenue from the tabs at the top. Then scroll down to the chart monthly estimated revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and sports their favorite content creator without ads. For creators not want changes, as they shall get paid for content consumed by non-members on YouTube along with content on YouTube Premium. Creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Considered revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscriber as a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you are already earning through ads. While it's easy to set up, earning money through advertising as a YouTube partner is far from the most lucrative revenue streams you can create for yourself. Hope so you will like my video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.